Hellcat.
Good motherfucker. With a flat bandana, combed down, Harley Davidson, damn motherfucker. You really can't stay. Give a back like MTV with a twist like smoking in a blunt while I'm playing with some toys like this on the band split snapping ass. I love this little house we got out on the edge of town. It's hard to think we could beat the view we got right now. We can't just got it good watching the sunset from the steps. Looks like it, but we ain't seen nothing yet. When we get to our forever home, we'll be shooting like we never known, and be singing hallelujah songs. Hard to imagine one day all this gravel turn the streets of gold. Time goes by, but we never get home. It's a picture perfect place. Can't wait to see your face when we get to our forever home.
My brother gave me his keys to his Mustang. I'm about to get in it. Oh yeah. Chee baby. Ooh, sounds beautiful. I don't even know how to do this thing. I just keep the air on. No, I shut the door. I'm not gonna touch nothing. I don't trust myself with cars. Period. A long time ago, I actually ran to almost. Oh, the heck!
The heck?
Almost ran into a tree. Oh, I'm just gonna. What the?
What are you doing?
I was cranking it up. It was making a beep 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 noise. I didn't know what it was doing. It's going beep 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 beep. Huh?
Don't do that.
I didn't know what it does. I never did it before, Mama. I'm gonna try to get in. Try to get in. Okay. I think I got it now. Okay, you shut the door now. To give Ben a bath, and you're going to watch. And I want y'all to see what I do when I give him a bath. Hopefully he don't drop my phone in the bathtub. That'll be embarrassing, and it'll be bad. Praying he doesn't drop my. I got him a treat, so when he gets out, they have a treat. So go ahead and get the water going. If I see my phone trying to fall, I want to catch it, you know, because I hate to drop my phone. Get some warm water. So, I got him in here. He's not gonna like it. He hates baths, so I hope he don't drop my phone in the bathtub. That'd be bad. It's okay, Ben. It won't close. That's so man.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah. Don't make my phone fall, okay? Oh yeah. There's no love, just bad. Here you, don't shake on my phone, please. Okay, so this is what I'm giving him. Fresh. Because it's gonna smell fresh. Where's his perfume spray?
I don't know about spray. Baby powder.
Yes, I love that kind. The baby powder smells really good.
You know, right. You're going to smell good then.
You're gonna smell really good. Your call is real good. You say hello to the vlog. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay then. You gotta stir it really good. You'll make sure you smell good for the people, for anybody, even me. You gotta smell good. You hear me? Real good, good, good. I want him to smell good. Now, it's time to rinse. He's doing okay. He really hates baths. He has to get one. I know it. I'm sorry. You got to, buddy. Yeah, you gotta get a bath. You're being gentle right now, so it's a good thing. He really hates baths. Right now he's actually enjoying it, but kind of thinks he wants out, but he has to get it. It's okay then. You'll be fine. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. We'll do it one more time, okay? Just make sure it's clean. One more time, that's it. One more time. Now scrub you. I want to see some bubbles. Got some bubbles. I know, baby. I know it. He doesn't like this at all. I think he gets to this point, he's ready to jump out. What?
Raspberries off.
Oh, it's fine. It's still spray. I know it, baby.
And I'm a boy. And I'm a boy. They smell so pretty. They smell pretty.
He's almost done. I just want to make sure it's all off of him. You know? Hello. I know. I'm talking to him. He's gonna hate it and the dog. I mean, let's get his own. I know, Ben. You're
I
done.
don't know where that baby powder gun is I bought. I looked in the laundry
Put a little
room.
bit of soap on your neck.
It's where it was.
Right here, FG on the back. Okay. Hand me his towel.
I'm always tell that.
I thought I brought it in here. Where did it go? Check in there. It's not there. It's in there. I thought I had his towel in here.
I don't see it.
It's in here. It's gone. Now, Ben is going to get fired off now. Come here, Ben.
Water up.
I'll get it up in a minute. I gotta get a shower anyway. Come here, Ben. Come here. Here. No.
He don't like them bones for some reason. I bought the big one, the
Yeah.
small kind.
Mm-hmm.
He's got in there, and I gave him to him earlier, and he just, I don't think he eats bacon things. That's the only thing he likes.
Guess he likes bacon.
But I got him for small bones, flavored bones.
He's happy now. He's happy now.
Back to smell good. I'm about to smell like raspberry.
Okay, come here, Ben.
It's right there.
So, I know. This is raspberry spray. Smell it. Oh. Come here, Ben. Come here, Ben. He's gonna hate me. He's gonna hate me. He doesn't like it. Ben, it's fine. Okay, you're done. Come here.
Itchy
I don't
bud.
got it anymore. Come here. Come here. Straight off again. Oh, you smell good. Now you smell really good. You smell really good. You smell really good. You smell really good. You smell good. You smell really good.
Let him see in here. It's hot outside.
He acts like Cora, watch. He did the
He
look.
gave a look like
He did
Cora
the
does.
look.
He
He
does
did
look
the
like
look.
Cora does.
He went.
He gave a look like Cora did. You see?
Watch.
You growl like,
He acts just like her. It's like
oh,
it's like her all over again.
oh, he's looking for his bones.
Does he not act
He's
like
looking-
her?
He's looking for
Oh, you want the bones? He acts just like Cora. Here.
If you order and your friend says they
He's got his treats in there, training treats. I bought him.
What you doing?
He gives me the looks. Hey.
What you doing, buddy? I'm my buddy. He's my buddy. He's mama's buddy.
Come here.
You make a good.
Go see. Go see Mama.
Come here, buddy. Come here. I'm mama's buddy.
He's like,
You're mama
I
buddy.
feel good now that I got
Mama
a
buddy.
bath. Look at that face.
Natural
Look at that
boy.
sport face.
Make a good.
Gotta go outside, buddy. I gotta get a shower now. Someone's happy. Ben, you happy? This is one happy dog. Ben. Oh. I didn't want to see that. You happy now? You happy now? You happy now? You happy? You happy now? Hmm? He's happy now. Yeah. Here he goes. Put your blanket back in there. Okay. Well, I gotta clean the tub out and everything. See you later, boy. I gotta get a shower now and get it cleaned up, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video, me giving my dog bath. Please subscribe down below if y'all like to see no more things. Please subscribe, like it up, share it. You know how it is. And peace.